In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Claude 3 AI mobile app and start using it right away. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, to get Claude AI on your device, head over to the Google Play Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Claude AI. You might notice that I've already installed it on my device, but if you haven't, don't worry. Just tap on the install button to get it onto your phone. The download and installation process is pretty straightforward and should only take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open Claude AI. If you're doing this for the first time, unlike me who's already logged in, you'll need to sign in. You have a few options here. You can log in using your Google account or Apple account if you have either of those handy. If not, you can sign up using any other account, which the app will guide you through seamlessly. This process is designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry about any hiccups here. Now that you're logged in, let's explore some features. One of the standout capabilities of Claude AI is that you can upload photos directly from your gallery. This means any picture you've already taken can be analyzed. Additionally, if you snap a photo with your camera, it can be uploaded instantly for analysis. This feature is quite handy when you want to understand or get insights from images without any hassle. Not only photos, but you can also upload other types of files for the app to work its magic on. The ability to analyze files directly from your phone provides an added layer of convenience and functionality. If you're interested in exploring more advanced features, consider upgrading your plan. At the top of the screen, there's an option that says Upgrade. By tapping on this, you'll be able to explore different plans like the Pro plan or the Max plan. These plans offer additional functionalities and features that might be worth exploring, especially if you find yourself using the app frequently. And just like that, we've covered how to download, install, and start using the Claude AI mobile app. It really is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to leave a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you stay updated with all our future uploads. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring what Claude AI has to offer.